Good morning. It is January 11th, 9:28 a.m. This is Chapman Walsh with a market forecast analysis, Chap analysis. Right, so we're looking at Bitcoin, BTCUSD. Of course, yesterday we did have the acceptance by the SEC of the Bitcoin ETF. I know yesterday we had a bit of a bearish outlook, which we still believe that this is essentially a corrective pattern that should result downward. But we do see this as a classic potentiality that we have another series leg wave up before we do an overall correction. I don't want to say series leg up, but another leg up to around the 50,000 level. There's a couple key levels that we're watching today that will kind of tell us. I wouldn't be in this trade. I'd be waiting for the market to actually kind of give a resounding direction or fail or seriously breach a potential level. I do see us protruding past 47,897 here. I think that we could find ourselves between 48,720 and 49,230 within the coming market sessions. Again, so I think that I see that this wave B that we're in here should terminate between 48,720 and 49,230. That's my outlook for today on Bitcoin. I do think that we'll see a euphoric rise into that resistance level, and I think that the market should fail at those levels, at least for the time being. Okay, all right. So that's the Bitcoin, and I can go down here to a 5-minute chart. We are decidedly bullish in structure. Yesterday I think we were. We were around right here yesterday. Yeah, we were around right here yesterday. So we did go up, and at the end of the day, we pretty much ended up where we were at in the morning time. And then overnight, and so we were kind of thinking that this might be a wave B. This might be the wave B, and then the C down. But it looks like the wave B is going to be expanded above the highs. Normally wave B is going to be something like 1 point. It could be equitable to wave A, so that's why the 47.89 level where wave A started is key. If we cross above that level, which it looks like we're having some trouble crossing above that level, but if we cross above that level, especially with the market now open, ETFs now trading right now, so you have all this volume, and the beautiful thing about human nature and human psychology, especially when it's kind of in masse A, or there's a large volume, you can gauge that human psychology much. It expresses itself in a much more defined way in relation to Fibonacci projections and retracements. So and also Elliott wave patterns. So it looks like we got exactly to what is this, 48,000. So basically almost equitable, and then coinciding with the market opening, we see a bear action here. So it's essentially failing at yesterday's resistance, and but I think that we're going to protrude potentially a little bit higher, but sub 49,000, I'm comfortable saying right now we see serious resistance sub 49,000 between 49,230 and 48,720. That's the video here for Bitcoin today. I know yesterday we said that we'd be trying to come back for another video around noon or later that afternoon, but things got ahead of us. So right now that's the case here with Bitcoin. We'll see if it can pierce above this 48,000 level and stay above there, and then target 49,000. But that's what we see here for today. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later on.